So, video we've not had in a while. My Massey is out. She's going hole cropping today with somebody I've never actually, I know them very well, I know them pretty well, but I've never actually worked with them. So it could be an interesting one, this one. Anyway, we'll catch it up when we're about to get going. So she's out. She's actually out working. What are we, 3 fields down on the 4th field change for something called alkalid, which is basically whole crop done different. So Richard Weston on the back, and she's yeah, she's been running all day. Like I said, we just stopped for, what's the name? Birthday present from the wife. Nice fancy seat cover. Oh. So yeah, we'll catch this when the header trailer and the chopper comes back round, and then we're into this field here. Bit of spring barley to get through. Just a little bit of a side note. If you ever fly your drone over crop fields, make sure you can get it back, because somebody has, and well, their drone is definitely no more. Yes, the chopper found it, but luckily it was picked up by the metal detector before it went all the way through. I was hoping there was going to be a memory card in here and I could have shown you what they got before they lost it, but I haven't found it. I don't think that's going to be flying again. I think that might be done. Stuff. Had a bit of a wet area in this field. Right. Okay. Right. Whoa. Still rough. There we are, back onto the smooth bit now. So it's a class 520 direct cut header on, like I said, pretty fresh class Jaguar 870. 520 header, I would assume that is a 5.2 metre head. Can't just remember what horsepower an 870 is. But yeah, been going well all day. Turn the beacon off, so we don't, because it must annoy the chopper driver staring at beacons all day, because you've got to bear in mind his eye level is perfect eye level with your beacons. And I apologise for the seat. I forgot it was squeaky until I was halfway to their yard this morning. Well, part way to their yard this morning. Halfway is a bit of an exaggeration. So I'll probably try and remember to do that tonight. Pull the skirt up and stick a load of probably white lithium grease up there just so it doesn't squeak. I know there's people sniggering at that now. So I did get a couple of comments on on the weekend video about me sounding tired, fed up, hacked off, like I couldn't be bothered. I actually quite enjoyed making the weekends video, but you know, this time of year, we're pushing, we're putting some hours in. You know, I know we've missed a couple of weekend videos, but that was literally to the point that I was a bit jaded and I just couldn't get in the mood to make a video. And I did put one video up that I kind of made, but it just wasn't quite in the spirit of it, and I didn't like the video. So yeah, I am perhaps a little tired, a little jaded. We've been pushing quite hard, but I'm good. For anybody that has a concern, I'm good, I'm alright, and I'm doing videos when I feel up to doing them, and when I feel I can make a video that you guys will enjoy watching and I'll enjoy making, and I'm trying my best not to run over the head of the what's saying forager. I don't think they'd be overly impressed with that. So yeah, all is good, all is very good. Really enjoying myself at the moment with the sort of work I've been up to. Obviously been doing whole crop and combine and all that sat on that big Massey. Obviously we're having to go with these guys today. It's a bit of tanking with that Massey 3,500 gallon tanker. You know, we've been doing a bit of hedge cutting work as well, some sort of domestic sort of stuff. Haven't filmed any of that. I've enjoyed doing it, but it's been quite challenging, but I've enjoyed it, if that makes any sense. You know, there's been a lot of concentration, a lot of being very careful, hence the reason no video in it, but it's been enjoyable stuff. Yeah, that was running with customer that T6165. He's just swapped out his the 6585T, swapped the lights for lights, which is a brand new machine, so really enjoying sort of getting used to how that feels, and the control box on it is completely different, so that's taken a bit of head scratching. Still not convinced it's as good as the old box, if I'm honest. Anyway, bored of chatting, so we'll knock this off here and we'll have another go. Probably pick it up at the end of it, end of the day. Well, no, end of the day might be a bit too late, but we'll have a pick up at some point just to say goodbye. So, kind of getting to that point in the video again. I'm going to do wheat fields now, so a bit better crops. Yeah, doing well, doing well. So I might as well let you hear the girl with a load behind it. That's all rough around here. Out. We'll pick this back up at the gateway, I think. Right, that's a bit better. We're away. So, yeah, like I said, we've reached that point in the video again. We have reached the end. We've still got a couple of hours work to do here, but thought I'd knock it on the head here so that you can watch the video at a sensible time. As always, don't forget, if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a grubby thumbs up. If you enjoyed the channel, want to be part of the community, go down, hit that subscribe button, don't forget to ring the bell. We have merchandise as well if you really want to support us. And of course, if you want to be part and have a chat with the fellow people that watch or that lot, the comment section is down below. Like I said, I do always read every comment that comes through. I do try my best to reply to as many as I can. Not always that easy. But yeah, give you a bit of a run down the road. So, like I said, hope you've enjoyed this bit of a, well, bit of a show of what I've been up to today. Yeah, you feel a bit guilty about the last drone, but you know, if you dropped it in a field of wheat just before it's due to be harvested, then, well, not a lot we can do about it. Cheers for watching. Hope everyone's staying safe and well, and all be well.